Yes, Honorable Luistro.
We would like to respectfully manifest to the Honorable Impeachment Court that almost simultaneously to the reading of the ruling of the Honorable Impeachment Court on the issue of sub judice rule, the respondent Vice President made a public statement
I
which
know
is
where you're leading at, Counsel. Naunahan mo lang ako. I thought you were going to take up another matter, so let me cut you short. Yes. While the presiding officer was delivering its ruling on the applicability, limitation, and who is covered by Rule 18, a statement was issued by the impeached official, the respondent, the Vice President, which clearly is covered by what the ruling earlier given by the presiding officer issued. So, given that it was done while the ruling was being issued, prospectivity would still apply. However, the presiding officer would like to remind, through the lead counsel for the respondent, her client, to kindly observe the ruling of the presiding officer as well as the rules of the impeachment court, specifically Article or Rule 18 on the subject matter in regard to making comments on the merits of the case, because henceforth, again, given the prospectivity of the ruling, the necessary actions will be taken against her not only by the court, but also, given that she's a lawyer, via what the presiding officer earlier mentioned in relation to CIPRA and in relation to the Office of the Bar Confident. Kindly inform her, Attorney Sheila.
We take note of that reminder, Your Honor.
Thank you, Attorney
so
Sheila.
just it will form part of the record, Your Honor. May I be allowed to read that portion of the statement of
I
the
think
respondent
this is
Vice
unnecessary,
President?
Your Honor.
No need, no need. Again, I find it unacceptable, and it would be commenting on the merits, and no need to read it in the records. The court can take, in fact, judicial notice of that, should it so desire. Senator Judge Aquino.
Mr. President, for the benefit of everyone, may I be clarified again? What are the possible penalties for breaking or not following your decision po earlier? Kapag Senator Judge, it goes to the Committee on Ethics. Tama po, no?
Yes?
Yes. Kapag mga miyembro po ng councils, ano po yung mga posibleng penalty? Kapag respondent or complainant, ano po yung mga posibleng penalty? Kapag ibang tao po, kasama po ba sila sa saklaw ng inyong ruling kanina?
We will issue the corresponding guidelines, Senator Judge Bam, for the information of Senator Judges, that it will be in a clear table form. But to answer your question, reprimand and admonition, followed by a fine for the second offense, and fine subsequently thereafter without prejudice to referring the matter should it violate their obligations as a member of, as an officer of the court, without prejudice to referring the matter to the Supreme Court, the IBP, and or the Office of the Bar, confident if any violation may have been committed by them. But we will issue the guidelines in relation to that. Yes, Honorable Luistro, anything else?
We have no other manifestation, Your Honor.
Attorney Sheila?
We're good, Your Honor.
We promise to provide what do you call it? A platform